Florida's capital, a place where politicians pass laws affecting millions of lives. But behind the scenes, something outrageous is happening. A quiet war is being waged, not over elections or infrastructure, but against justice. And who's waging this war? The banking industry, one of the most powerful lobbies in all of Florida politics. The industry is currently lobbying our elected officials to gut funding for a long-running legal program that helps people get a fair shot in state courts, so that rich people and big businesses can't just run roughshod over everyone else. And today, we're diving into a high-stakes conflict in Florida over legal aid funding, how it started, why it matters, and what it means to the future of justice. But first, let's talk about what legal aid is and why it's so important. Legal aid programs are a critical part of justice. They help keep courts fair and open to all by providing attorneys to folks who can't afford one themselves, like a family of four making less than $62,000 a year. Imagine a battered spouse trying to escape an abusive partner while fighting for custody of her kids, or a disabled veteran struggling to secure their benefits, or a family on the brink of foreclosure or eviction and facing homelessness. These are people facing cases of life-changing consequences. And in a state like Florida, where 1 in 8 people live in poverty, the need for legal aid is enormous. And yet, Florida doesn't even fund its legal aid programs. That's right. Florida is just one of 4 states in the country that provides no direct funding for legal aid. Instead, the Florida Supreme Court has created something called the IOTA program. Let me break that down. IOTA stands for Interest on Trust Accounts. It's a system where law firms place small or short-term client funds, like escrow money, into special bank accounts.